Good evening. Today we are going to see how can we reduce the transmission of coronavirus by following 5 steps. First step, we must educate about coronavirus. What is coronavirus? It is a virus. It transmits from person to person. It is a communicable disease. It spreads through airborne. So what are the symptoms of coronavirus? Its symptoms include cold, fever, sore throat, shortness of breath, and illness ranging from cold to severe acute respiratory syndrome. Second step, don't be panic, reduce your fear, anxiety, anger, because it affects your immune system. And do exercise, yoga, prayer, meditation, that will improve your immune system, that will boost up your immune system. And third step, boost up your immunity. Boost up our immunity. How can we boost up our immunity? Food plays major role to boost up our immunity, and especially take more fruits and vegetables which are rich in vitamin C, citrus fruits like oranges, lemon, gooseberries, Indian gooseberries, etc. It is not necessary to buy expensive fruits and vegetables to improve your immune system. There are many ingredients play a key role to boost up your immune system. For example, turmeric, ginger, garlic, black pepper, black cumin. These are very rich in antioxidant, antiviral, antiseptic properties. And especially some herbs also play a major role to boost up our immune system. For example, basil leaves, coriander, mint, these leaves have a major role to boost up our immune system. And focus protein rich fruits. For example, if you can take watermelon seeds, flax seeds and pumpkin seeds, they are very rich in protein and vitamin E. Okay, and reduce your carbo diets because it will increase your diabetic level. Okay, and focus protein rich food. Next, most important step is sleep well. Don't compromise your sleep. Snooze for 7 to 8 hours because it will improve your immune system. If you are not sleeping properly, it will affect your immune system. And next step is hydrate yourself for 6 to 8 glasses of water per day. 8 glasses of water is necessary. It will remove most of the toxins and it will reduce the chance of flu. Okay, and third step is boost up your immunity. Eat fruits and vegetables, snooze well and sleep well, hydrate yourself. Fourth step is very important, that is personal hygiene. Personal hygiene plays a key role in coronavirus. So rub your hands with alcohol based sanitizer adequate manner and cover your face with triple layer mask and discard it carefully, and clean your nasal area and buccal cavity with saline water. Saline water is nothing but lukewarm water with salt. Okay, so you can remove your boogers out every 30 minutes. Adequate cleaning of nasal area and buccal cavity will reduce the invade of other microorganisms. And take steam with neem leaves and turmeric, that will bring out excess fluid which is stored in sinus bone. Okay, you feel relief from blocked nose. Okay, next, fifth step is very important. Stay home, stay safe. Okay, all are battling against COVID-19, especially healthcare workers. We have to do a bit for contributions like following personal hygiene and following health protocol, stay indoor, maintain social distancing, don't step out unnecessarily, and eat more fruits and vegetables, and follow 5 steps to reduce the transmission of coronavirus. Thank you.